In today's digital age, making money online has never been easier. With just a smartphone and a few minutes, anyone can earn instant cash using free apps designed for simple tasks. Let's explore how users can transform their spare time into cash flow. Imagine earning money just by watching videos, testing new products, or sharing opinions. The beauty of these apps is that they cater to everyone, whether you have a few minutes during your lunch break or a couple of hours on the weekend. With the right apps, users can easily turn idle time into instant cash. Now let's dive into some top-rated apps that offer quick payouts. These platforms have gained popularity for their user-friendly interfaces and reliable payment systems. 1. Fast Cash. First up is Fast Cash. You can visit them on this link. This app rewards users for completing various tasks, such as watching videos, taking surveys, and even testing new apps. The best part? Payments are processed instantly. Users can cash out their earnings directly to their PayPal accounts, making it a hassle-free experience. As you can see here, they guarantee you that you'll be able to make your first $1,000 online with Fast Cash. To prove you that this app is credible, just see how much all of their active members have made so far, about $3 million plus. Check out this tool and try signing up now. 2. SoundCam. Next, we have SoundCam. This innovative app allows users to review new music tracks and earn cash for their feedback. It's not just about making money, it's a fun way to discover new artists and genres. Users can engage with music they love while contributing to the music industry. 3. Survey Time. Last but not least is Survey Time. Who would have known that you can get paid per survey you answer? Incredible, right? This app offers quick surveys that pay users instantly upon completion. It's a straightforward way to earn money from the comfort of home. Users appreciate the simplicity. Just answer a few questions and watch the cash roll in. You need to start signing up to this app. For sure you won't regret it. Users have shared their experiences, highlighting how easy it is to navigate these apps and cash out their earnings. Many have reported receiving payments within minutes of completing tasks. Instant payouts mean no waiting around. This immediate gratification keeps users motivated and engaged. To maximize earnings, users can follow a few simple tips. First, set aside a specific time each day to engage with these apps. Consistency is key. Second, explore multiple apps to diversify income sources. Each app offers different tasks and rewards. Lastly, stay updated on promotions and bonuses. Many apps run special events that provide higher payouts for limited time. While these apps won't replace a full-time income, they provide an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to earn a little extra cash in their free time. Why not give them a try? Start exploring today and see how your spare moments can translate into real earnings. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.